Hi, are you Ben? Please tell me you are Ben. I am in a huge rush.
Hi there. Yes, I am Ben. And you must be Alice? Take a deep breath. You made it.
Yes, I'm Alice. I am so sorry for the panic. I woke up late and my alarm didn't go off. It has been a crazy morning.
Don't worry about it. It happens to everyone. The app says we are going to JFK Airport, Terminal 4. Is that correct?
Yes, Terminal 4. My flight leaves in 2 hours. Do you think we can make it? Be honest with me.
Hmm, let me check the traffic. Okay, the roads look pretty clear right now. The GPS says it will take about 35 minutes, so you will be there with plenty of time.
35 minutes? Oh, thank goodness. I thought it would take an hour. Okay, I can relax now. Thank you, Ben.
No problem. Just sit back and relax. Do you want me to turn on the air conditioning? Or maybe roll down the window?
The air conditioning would be great, thanks. It is surprisingly hot today.
There you go. So, are you flying somewhere for a vacation? Or is it a work trip?
It is actually a bit of both. I am going to visit my sister in Chicago. She just had a baby, so I am going to help her. But I also have to work on my laptop while I am there.
Oh, congratulations to your sister. That is exciting. I have never been to Chicago. Is it nice there?
It is beautiful, but it is very, very windy. They call it the Windy City for a reason. Have you always lived here, Ben?
No, I actually moved here 5 years ago. I am originally from Florida. I miss the beach sometimes, but I like the city life here. There is always something to do.
That is true, but the traffic here is terrible. Wait, is that the airport sign already?
Yes, we made really good time. Here's the sign for Delta Airlines. Is this the right door?
Yes, this is perfect. Right here is fine. How much is the fare? Oh, wait, I paid on the app, right?
Yes, it is all paid through the app. I will jump out and help you with your suitcase.
Thank you so much. You were a great driver, Ben. I will definitely give you 5 stars.
I appreciate that, Alice. Have a safe flight to Chicago, and good luck with the baby.
Thanks. Bye.